How's everybody doing today, Keto family? Matt Troyce here, and today I'm going to show you how to make keto peanut butter cups from scratch. I'm going to show you how to make these, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. And also, please feel free to share this out with anybody you feel would benefit from watching this video. Anybody you want, you have my permission. Sharing is caring, guys, and we're all in this together. This video was suggested by one of my longtime subscribers, Tyler Wilkins. Thank you, Tyler, for your video recommendation. This is for you and everyone else around the world. Growing up, I used to love having Reese's peanut butter cups, so this is the perfect alternative to those Reese's peanut butter cups. Don't forget to check the description of this video. You'll see the recipe along with the directions on how to make this incredible keto dessert. All right, let me show you how to make these right now. All right, take your frying pan and put it on low heat. And add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the pan. We're going to add our chocolate pieces to the oil. And don't allow the chocolate to burn. Stir occasionally to allow the chocolate to melt evenly. Now you could add about a tablespoon of Lakanto powdered monk fruit sweetener as well to sweeten up the chocolate. I'm just going to keep it simple today and not add any powdered monk fruit sweetener to it. Alright, the chocolate has melted sufficiently. Now we're going to transfer this melted chocolate onto baking cups. Alright, so we have our melted chocolate here, and we're going to start putting about a teaspoon of melted chocolate in each cup. Try to line the entire bottom. So now we're going to take our peanut butter and spoon about a teaspoon of peanut butter into each cup. Give it a nice stir. Now we're going to add more chocolate, another teaspoon of melted chocolate onto the top of the peanut butter. All right, these look great. So we're going to put these into the refrigerator for approximately 30 minutes to allow to set. All right, it's been about a half hour later. And these peanut butter cups are set. Take a look at that. Now for a taste test. All right, look at these Reese's peanut butter cups. I can't wait to try them. Take a look at that. Man, that is delicious. These taste absolutely delicious. When you have something like this, there's no need to go out and buy it when you can make it yourself. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to check out any of the 3 videos I'll link to at the end of this video. If you enjoyed this one, I am positive you're going to enjoy those. Enjoy the rest of your night. Matt Troyce signing out.